This is our Range Rover Autobiography, complete with the urban automotive body kit. The car was registered June 2018. The car has covered 20,000 miles and the car has had just 3 owners from new. Finished in Metallic Corris Grey, this car sits on the 22-inch 9 split spoke style alloy wheels in black. Ties in well with all the black elements on the exterior of the car. So what do you get with the urban automotive kit? You get urban badging on the bonnet, a full carbon fibre front grille, front splitter, air intake surrounds, as well as on this car actually comes with the yellow brake calipers, as well as the fixed side steps. Going around the side of the car, the overall condition of the vehicle is excellent. No scrapes, no marks, no scratches, anything like that. Around the rear, the urban branding continues. You also have carbon fibre number plate brow, as well as a full carbon fibre rear diffuser with billet aluminum exhaust tailpipes. Obviously have the Autobiography badging there as well. Obviously have privacy glass, no chrome at all on this car, fully stealthed out. Front windscreen, no cracks, no chips, anything like that. Another cool feature to mention is the Nolden daytime running lights, integrated in the redesigned front bumper. Very cool feature to have. Inside the car, we have a full black leather interior, all the Autobiography extras you would expect. Sliding panoramic roof, the MERIDIAN surround sound system, obviously the memory seats with fully electric adjustment on the door, cruise control, heated steering wheel, everything you would expect on a car of this value. So as you can see, inside the car has covered 20,098 miles. Overall condition of the interior, very, very clean, very well looked after. Steering wheel condition, again very, very clean, no rips or tears in the leather at all. This particular car actually comes with the heated and cooled front and rear seats. The bolsters on the front seats, very, very clean. Again, no wearing, no rips, anything like that. The centre armrest, again immaculate condition. Likewise with the passenger seat. Around the rear of the car, very, very clean, very, very well looked after by the previous 3 keepers. Obviously have the rear climate control, heated and cooled seats at the rear as previously mentioned. That large panoramic roof bringing a lot of light into the rear of the cabin. And obviously you can have all the seat adjustments on the rear as well, on the door. So overall, a very clean, very high spec Range Rover Autobiography with the urban automotive kit. As I said, the car was registered in June 2018. Therefore, the car has had just 1 service to date. This was done on the 19th of the 11th, 2020 at Land Rover Manchester. All 4 wheels in immaculate condition. No curbing, no marks, anything like that. Again, the interior condition is excellent, the exterior paintwork is excellent, and the car is now available for sale on baytreecars.com.